Hey, welcome to Self Digitals. My name is Paul. Today I'm going to show you how to use Windows Movie Maker to edit your videos. Now, Windows Movie Maker is an easy video editor that you can use to make videos in a very quick way. Now, before we begin, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also give it a thumbs up and also share and like. Now, let's begin. When you open Windows Movie Maker, you'll come to this platform here. The first thing you're going to do is decide which kind of video you're going to make. In this case, you're just going to look at the platform you're going to use. If it's a social media aspect, maybe you can use, if you're going to use a video in Instagram, maybe you can choose this. But if you're going to use normal portrait, you can use it. But I'll just use the normal one that you can also use in YouTube and normal video aspect ratio. So I'll just choose this one and just come and click new project. It will bring you to this interface here, whereby you have this interface here. Now we have different sections. This is where you import your videos, audios will be. Then you have the preview section. Then you have the most important aspect for the timeline section here. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to import an image or a video. So I'll just click on this aspect here. Then it will take me to where my videos and images are. I'll use my own videos here that I shot sometime using my phone, and also I'll also select some of the images. You press Control, hold down Control key in the keyboard as you select those videos and pictures. Then I just press Open. Then all the videos will be in my timeline. I will come here and also they'll be distributed in my timeline here automatically, like so. Now you realize the next thing, you realize now all the interface are filled. The timeline is filled, also the gallery section here is filled, and also here it is filled. Now if I want to play, I'll just click this one here and you can see there. And if I want to pause it again, I'll just click that pause here. Now you can see under my timeline there's this section called picture in a picture track. I'll talk about that later on. So that's how to import a video images in Windows. That's how to import videos and pictures in Windows Movie Maker. But now I don't want all of them like this. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to select one of them by pressing Control A. I'll click one, I'll select one, then press Control A, then I'll just press delete in my keyboard so that all of them are able to go away. The next thing, I just want to place them one by one. I'll just drag this one here. It will be taken. Now this is a picture. It will just come here. And also maybe if I want to drag, but before that, you realize under the media section here there are categories. There's the video section where there are videos, and then there's the images section where there are images. Then there's also, you can have music, and then there's sample videos that come with the software, and also there are colors that you can use in your videos, and maybe also sample videos that you can use. Now if you realize I came under the images, is when I was able to drag the image. I'll just delete the image again, click it and delete. I'll come back to the video section. Maybe this time I want to drag the video, so I'll just come and drag the video there. Then if I play again, just play like that. If I want to add text, I'll just click on the text aspect here, and maybe I'll just drag it here. I realize the text will come here at the top, and then I'll just maybe add text. I'll just double click here and give me some section here. Maybe I write my name here, Paul. Then maybe I want to position my text somewhere here, and maybe this aspect here. Now if I play, you can see my text is there. That's how to add text in. Then I'll just come and pause the video and press return. Then it will take me back there. What about if I want to add transition? I'll go back to media so that I can set another video. So I'll just drag this one there, also drag this one there. Then I'll come under the transition. Then there are numerous transitions here that you can use: fancy, zoom, basic, and many other aspects. Maybe I want to use fancy. just drag the transition over there. Then if I play, you can see the transition is coming below here. Maybe this time I want to add another transition. I'll just click there, roll, then I'll just drag it. I'll just come here, choose it, and drag it maybe somewhere there. Then if I play like so, if I come and drag it here, just play it like so. You can see the transition has just taken effect. Now, there are also other effects that are there in Windows Movie Maker. Just come and click the effects here. The different effects that you can use in Windows Movie Maker. Maybe I just come. There are different. Maybe if I click there, you can see these common effects there. Maybe if I come back, maybe I come under filters. Maybe I come under filters. Maybe I want something to be black and white. I'll just pull it, and you see, I'll just pull it. I'll just click it and drag it over here, and you can see the video has just come black and white. I don't want black and white. What do I do? I'll just come and do it by pressing Ctrl Z. Then the black and white aspect will go away. So that's how. Oh, I just press Ctrl Z. Maybe I come back here. Or if it doesn't go away, what do I do? I'll come here, right click here, another effect. I just come here. There's this aspect here. If I want to remove the effect, I'll come here, click this one, and remove the effect, and the effect will just go away. I can also add stickers to my videos. Maybe I click this one here. Maybe you're doing based on the theme you're doing, maybe emojis. Maybe I'll just come and drag over here. If I play, you can see the emoji on top of my video, but I don't want it to be that big. Maybe I click it, make sure select it, then I can easily minimize it like so and position it somewhere there. Now if I play, you can see the emojis there. You can also add other emojis. Maybe you are doing a sales pitch, maybe social media, maybe you can even tell people good morning. Maybe I come and place it there, and if I play, you can say good morning, like that. So if I play, you can see how it looks. Now that's how to add all that aspect, but there are also other aspects that you can always add. There are more effects that you can play around with. For example, if I select this video here, and if I come to this effect here, maybe fade in and fade out, you can easily add fade in and fade out. You can see, maybe I play around with this. Now if I play, you will see at some point from there the video is slowly fading in and fading out. Now let me just play. You see, from this point here the video is slowly fading in and fading out. The next thing I want to do, maybe add another something here, maybe play around with this again. Maybe this time I want to do or speed up my video. So to like it, I'll just click this one here, speed up, then I'll just maybe increase my speed. Now if I play, you can see my video is a little bit fast until I can't even see it clearly. Let me just undo again, undo. I've undone all the videos. Now I'll come again here under media so that I can pull again another video like that. I play like that. Now you realize now in my timeline I can in my track here, if I want to add another track, I'll just right click and come to add track. Now you realize there are 3 different tracks. You can add a picture track, or you can add a picture. So I'll come to images. If I want to add a picture there, that's where the picture is, and we position it somewhere here. What about if I want to add another track? I just come add a track, so the text track. So you add a text track. If I want to put a text here, I'll always come here and maybe just put some text there, and you can see my text added. If you want to add another track, maybe the audio track, I'll just add it to come and the below. So the next thing, we are going to add music. So I'll come to music here. You find a different kind of music here that you can add in your video. You see, if I play that, so you can easily add many other video. You can also add many other aspects in a video. So apart from that, let me clear everything by pressing Ctrl A, and so that I clear everything and delete everything here. I also select this one, select and delete almost everything. Now there are also templates here which Windows Maker has. Some of them are free, some of them you can download. So I'll just drag them here and it will load the template. Yeah, you can use this template. Now if I play, you can see the template there. So you can also play around the templates and make a good video. So guys, that's how to use the Windows Maker and create and edit your videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also give it a thumbs up. Have a nice day. Have a nice time.